See the second program, notepad space p2.py. The second program, what is the aim of the second program? Write a Python program to guess the password with how many iterations? See, how many steps for somebody has unmute. Some noise is coming. Ravi sir, unmute them. Yeah. Now my voice is audible, sir. Ravi sir.
Audible, sir.
Yeah. Write a Python program to guess the password with how many iterations. See, for this one, what I am taking, import iter tools, import string, and I am defining function called guess password. I am declaring characters and attempts 0 initially. Then I am checking the password 1 to 9. So likewise, I'm writing a program. It takes how many iterations? Okay. So how many iterations my program is taking? So see, I have given the password. Suppose I'm giving the ABC. Just for your understanding, I'm giving the ABC. How many iterations it is taking? I want to know it. Please see here, Python. I'm running the program p2 space p2.py. Now I'm giving the ABC password. See now how many iterations, Vivek. I have given a password is ABC. How many iterations it has taken? 1300. Yeah, 1371 guesses. So I'm guessing your password because you are keeping simple password ABC. You are giving simple password ABC. That's why don't give simple password ABC. See, suppose I'm increasing one more letter. How many iterations it will take? Suppose ABC I have given 1371. Now in the program I'm changing the password. Now see here, I'm changing ABCD. I'm giving ABCD. Suppose my password is ABCD. Now go to and run the program. See, now how many iterations for 4 letters? 4 letters it is taking. How many iterations, Vivek? Can you read the number of guesses?
So 49,360.
Perfect, perfect. Your answer is quite correct. That means I'm increasing the password strength ABCD. It is taking 49,360 guesses, means iterations. Suppose I'm increasing 5 letters. How many iterations it will take? See, very interesting programs you need to do. Suppose I'm running ABCDE. I'm taking 5 letters. How many iterations it will take? Now see I'm running the program. See how many iterations it is taking now. Can you imagine? For 3 letters 1370 and 4 letters it taken 46,000. Now 5 letters. I'm taking 5 letters. So Somsekar, are you there, Somsekar? I think Somsekar is not there. So see 5 letters it is taking. How many iterations can you imagine? Ravi sir. Hello Ravi sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Iterations are more as the number of.
Yeah. How many participants are there, sir? Right now?
25, sir. 25. 25, sir.
25. Okay. So next week we will get a good number, sir. Please. So that they are missing all the programs. Any doubts, participants? See, 5 letters, it is taking time. Please ask me doubts. Any doubts related to cyber security? See, still the program is running. So I'm sharing this PowerPoint presentation and as well as programs to coordinator and Professor Ravi sir, I am going to share with you. Please share with the participants so that they can practice.
yes, sir.
Yeah, they can come for next
Session.
next webinar. They will ask many doubts. Vivek,
Okay, sir.
yeah, Vivek, how many iterations it has taken this 5 characters password? Can you read this number? 1
17
lakh,
17
17 lakhs. Yeah, correct.
76,055.
Very good, very good. That means these many iterations is taking for 5 simple password is called A, B, C, D, E. So don't keep small passwords, simple passwords. Next program, please see next program. I'm going to demonstrate. Second program is over. Next, write a Python program. So this is a third program. See, what is the third program? Write a Python program for password breaking with number of iterations. Okay, suppose this program, how many iterations are taking? So this program we have completed. Now we can see it will ask, okay,